All right, y'all, I'm heading up to Bayou Caddy to go launch my boat, and I wanted y'all to see the wind. I was gonna go out and do some trout fishing, go fish some bridges, you know, because I'm wanting to change it up a bit for y'all. But dude, the wind is due east and it's blowing probably 15 to 20 easy. And yeah, can you see that flag right there? Woo. It's straight. So it's bad, man. I can't do it. I'm gonna have to go to back canals and redfish again. I hope y'all don't mind redfish, because I sure as heck don't mind going after them. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Should be able to do something, I'm hoping. I don't like to get too cocky, but I think I know where a few fish are. So you guys take it easy and enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Just got to my little area. I wasn't gonna fish here, but I did see a couple reds moving as I was running the motor, so I just stopped for a minute. Tide's ripping on out of here, so I'm just gonna fish it for a bit up in here and see what happens. We got some really clean water. I'm throwing a hybrid. I don't know what color, but as you can see, it's like a kind of not a motor oil color in a way. I don't remember the name of it. So I'm just gonna jig for a bit, see what happens. I seen something just happen over there, kind of right there. I'm pretty sure that was a red because I see some mud kicked up, and then I seen a fish kind of hit, so I'm pretty sure there was a red right there. There he is. I seen you. Oh, you see me kept working for him. I knew he was there, dude. That was awesome. He thumped it really good. Oh yeah. Y'all seen that, man? That was a good thump. Just worked it out. You know, I knew. Does he have shrimp whiskers? He might have ate a shrimp. That might have been what he busted. But we'll see. Get this hybrid out of him. I see little grass shrimp whiskers. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's definitely some little shrimp in his mouth. Now, I don't know what to do about a secondary camera here, because yeah. That'd be so cool if I could just stick it right in there. Here, let me just pull this selfie stick out. I'm not sure, whoa, I'm not sure how this angle is, but there's a keeper. He busted up on the bank over there. Seen him. I took a couple casts, worked it out, and he hit it. So, yeah, baby. Oh, I gotta get my drinks out of here. You know what? Live well. It's live well. It's live well. Yeah, baby. My good old hybrid. I like my hybrid. Okay, let me try this all-star nano. Let me know what y'all think of this rod. I don't know if it feels good, it looks good, it smells good, tastes good, so we'll see. Oh, look at that red that just took off right there. Can you see the mud? Dang. Try this rod out, baby. Slow roll a spinnerbait with it. Little red on my nano. Thank you for coming off. He hit it when I let it sink. So I got off the bank a little bit and I paused it and he grabbed it. Bass. Hello, bass. You got a dent in your back. Looks like he was in like a fishing line or something. Who knows? Little bass. First bass I've seen in a long time. I thought they got out of here because the water got salty. Oh, that's a good one. Boy, did he thump it. Glad I didn't turn the camera off. Boy, did he thump it good. Heck yeah. Oh, where you going? Yeah. You like that hybrid, didn't you, Butterball? Shoot. I even dropped my rod and set the hook, man. He just spit out a crab. Look at this. Boom, got it down, baby. Got it down. Look at that beautiful red. All right, let's try this weird camera angle I got going over here. Yo, got the hybrid on, 1/4 ounce jig head on my Shimano GLF with some 17, or is it 20 pound Suffix fluoro. Throw him in the live well. Right here, baby. Just pull one out right by the boat, baby. Guys, just got this bad boy right by the boat. Had a little technical difficulties trying to get an angle for this camera because I'm all jacked up at the moment, but there he is on the hybrid, right in the top of the mouth. Look at that. Thank you all for watching. guys. It's been a while since I caught a real fish. I was grabbing my hat back here, letting my bait just sit on the bottom, and he grabbed it. I got a white curly tail gulp on. So that was pretty cool. Man, that was crazy. I jigged it, I let it sink to the bottom, and I just left it on the bottom. Came back to get my hat, lifted it up, and he was just going with it. So that was awesome. Oh, that's a decent one. That's a decent one. All right, baby. Put on a bigger gulp curly tail. Got from Academy, and I caught that bad boy on it. First bite I had in quite a minute, man. It's been pretty slow, so hopefully I found something. I'm catching tons of little redfish, man. I've caught like 7 of them. I'm just not showing them. As soon as I touch my phone, little boy ate it. Gosh, man, tons of babies today. Tons and tons of babies. It's my second bass of the day. Nice one too. Woo-hoo-hoo. Finally got a bite, guys. Finally got a bite on my gold spoon. Oh. Sorry, I was on the phone. I'm all kinds of messed up. I'm lifting. Oh God, he's kind of heavy. Get in here. God, I got the phone to my ear. I'll call you back. Holy crap, things just got hectic kind of fast. I gotta call my dad to get bites, okay? It's official. It's official, baby. I didn't put the trailer on that time because my gulps are so soft right now. They're just coming off, so that's the best one of the day, maybe. Yeah. But yeah. Good old spoon redfish, baby. Oh, they thump it so hard. Like, I don't know, something about a spoon. They hit that thing real hard. It's fun. It's a fun lure. Yep, that is the nicest one. So hopefully they keep on biting. I moved to a new area and I'm just gonna slow roll this bank all the way down. Redfish right now. I'm gonna try to get on him. It's right there. It's right there. Nope. I pulled too soon. He's still there, he's still there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He won't eat it. He won't eat it. He's just nipped it. I don't know where he went. Oh man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been so slow. Oh, he got off. Why? Of course. I truly think when I pressed the camera button, he got a lot of slack. He loosened it up or something, because man, did I stick that fish. It's been reduced to catching crabs now. See how I'm gonna do this. Can I get a 2-for-1 crab claw grab? I'm keeping you just in case I get desperate or more desperate. Lord have mercy, it's slow, guys. Can't catch a fish right now. I gotta record the rats, guys. I can't get no footage, man. Slow day right now. They're like, I don't know what these fish are up to. They shut down though, I'll tell you that much. So, I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Beautiful. I got a line. Got a spoon right here, but somebody broke their spoon off. And I don't know what's going on out here. Is it a pole? Well, I caught a spoon. That's cool. And a bunch of braid. Alright, got a gold spoon, thank you. It's a bigger one, but I'll take it. Gold spoon. That was crazy. I was hoping there'd be a big old fish on it. Got one. This feels like a decent fish. It's not acting like a redfish, man. It was acting like a big gaff top at first, but now it's a redfish. Okay. Weird. Whew. Got him in, baby. About dang time I got something. Yeah. Boop, boop. Nice red. Slow fishing right now, but I'll take it. Thank you guys for watching. Boy just crushed the spoon. I was sleeping up here. I think I was, yeah, it's a decent fish. Yes, finally guys, I got me one. I'm gonna put the spoon on with the chartreuse gulp. Found me some chartreuse, I didn't know I had them. And that is the ticket for me. If I'm gonna use a gulp, I'd rather it be chartreuse. White will work, but I like chartreuse. Dang, he's really gold. That one. Y'all check out the gold on this red here. Beautiful red, man. Just eat them up. All right, baby, that's 7. Gonna work at them. Gonna keep cruising till dark. Come on. Thank you. It's a little baby. Did you take my gulp? Please don't take my gulp. No, you didn't. Nice. Hey, little guy. Thanks for the bite. I needed it. Oh, you better give me that back. Look at that. He's trying to get it. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yeah, he's trying to eat my gulp, man. Can't let him do it. There's no explaining, like there's no missing, like, what's the word? Gosh, words, Andy. There's no mistaking a big redfish hitting this bait versus a smaller fish. There's no mistaking it. Them big ones just straight up thump the crap out of it. And it's a solid thump. It's not no little doo-doo. It's good. You can just tell. Wow, tons of little ones. Stop, stop. I don't need you to throw my bait off, please. Hello. My galoop's already getting destroyed over here. AKA my gulp, for the people that think I'm insane. Yeah, there's some little ones around. I know that. I've caught a lot of little reds today.